Exposing the secret sauce in social media success. Why aren't more people talking about this? Are you tired of your social media falling flat? Look no further. With our expert social media management, you'll see real, tangible results. As your dedicated Facebook and social media ads manager, I'll craft a strategy that gets your business noticed. Think custom posts, perfect scheduling, and eye-catching designs, everything tailored to boost your brand. And that's not all. From setting up and optimizing your accounts to running targeted ad campaigns and even growing your organic followers, we've got you covered. Why choose us? We're active 24/7, deliver fast, and focus on real organic growth. Your success is our main goal. Ready to take your business to the next level? Let's make it happen. At Facebook ads, how at Instagram marketing, social media success. Thanks, Madrashadul Islam.